Your documentation already exists. It is scattered. Google Drive, Notion, GitHub, Confluence, Jira, Dropbox. Or just drop files in. PDF, Word, text, markdown, 10 files at a time. Dewstack reads everyone. 2 files in, and the library goes from 6 documents to 8. Search runs over the extracted text, not just the file names, so you find a document by what is actually inside it. And when nothing matches, Dewstack says so plainly instead of guessing at something close enough. Filter by type or by processing status for the point where the library outgrows scrolling and you need to narrow it fast. Or switch to list view when you would rather scan than browse. Preview it exactly as Dewstack read it. Extracted data shows the raw text the AI works from. One click sends a document to the SmartDocs training queue. 8 documents, all searchable, all readable, ready to become documentation your customers can actually use.